Come on, Vanya. Come on, Vanya.
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double of Styles. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's the holiday season and your girl gotta come through looking how she's supposed to come through, which is like looking like the rich auntie, okay? Do not play with me. The money is on its way. The millions, the zillions are on its way. I'm still the rich auntie. And so to start off the holidays, we're gonna do a new wig, of course, from Outre called Vanya. Vanya, and you see the girl. She got the blonde, but I decided to go with the 1B this time, okay? So let's get into Vanya because I'm already late for the festivities. I need to hurry up and go because I must have been on the road an hour ago, okay? Let's get into it. So this is a card that it comes in with. Look at the inside, y'all. Okay, first off, let me say this. This is 18 inches, okay? FYI, 18 inches. Melted hairline lace front wig. Frontal effect hairline. Baby hair included. Pre-elastic band included. Look at the colors. They look so good. Look at that. But look at this queen right here. I said, well, they all the same people, but when I saw that black, I said it's definitely giving like queen vibes, like European goddess. So we went with the queen vibe. And this is how it looks, packaging up. And this is the hair. The curls are pretty tight right now, but it's up to you whether or not you want to comb it out or not. Here got baby hairs in the front, baby herring. You see them curly fronts. This is the lace in the front. This is the elastic band. And we got 2 combs in the front, babes. 2 combs. These how the combs look. You're going to see them in the front. They 2 in the front and 1 in the back. Okay. Let's put her on, okay? Okay, so since this lace front wig is only focused on this centerpiece, and I don't really have to glue this, and I'm so thankful, y'all. I'm not a glue girl. Like, if I have to do it, I'm gonna do it, but if I don't, put it up. I don't need it. So, matter of fact, to make me feel safe though, I'm gonna spray just a dab in the middle just so this could stay right here at this point. It's gonna dry for a second. But let's get into this hair. Let's talk about it. Okay, so this right here is a yaki-ish type of hair, which I love yaki hair because it gives that body, it creates that fullness in your wig. It's like 80%, 85% yaki-ish, and the rest is like, has like a silk texture to it. Help me get my words out, okay? Okay, so let's get back into our part. Look, our part looking very nice. The lace is melting. And what I'm about to do is see what's up with these edges, okay? Okay. So, this is our hair. It's pretty light, super cute, already full of body, curls tucked in tight. Do I want to brush it out? Yes, I do. So this is our hair. I really love it, and I think I'm gonna love it even more once I put on a really cute outfit. I really feel like the ones with the color is gonna stand out more, but honestly, I'm fine with this natural look right here. It looks like full black beauty, okay? Let's turn to the back and let's see how the back looks, okay? Nothing too crazy. And what I really love is the body of this. And I'm gonna make sure this thing stay right here in the front. Just like this. Look at that. Look at that. Ah! You can't see no lace. What you mean? You can't see no lace. So yeah, this was quick, short, to the point, because you know your girl gotta go. So I'm gonna show y'all the pictures at the end of what I wore today, my outfit, and y'all tell me what y'all think, okay? Because I feel like the hoodie is taken away from y'all seeing the full potential of where this is going, okay? Vanya not here to play. Vanya not here to play. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if you like my outfit, okay? Peace. Let y'all see the part one more time. Yeah. Peace.